Baby, we get it magic hands. Lady, we over Sabi. If not for us, make up. Oh, yeah, Ojulewa. I'm not getting go back. Now, Ojulewa.
Say you like me like that. Oh, yeah, show me like that.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I love you so much. I wish I could give everybody a hug, like a tight hug like that. This special edition, can you see my outfit? Can you see that gang look? I'm ready. We have a special guest today. She's a lawyer turned makeup artist. She'll be telling us her journey to inspire somebody out there that you want to turn your gift into talent, that amazing passion in you. You want it to blossom to something profitable. She'll be sharing her journey into makeup artistry. I'm sure you can't wait to meet her. Yes, and see my look as in that makeup. I call it the wow with that gang makeup. Oh yeah, let's take it away.
Oh yeah. Baby, we get it magic hands.
So welcome our special guest, Ennieyapha. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome to Ojulewa YouTube channel. So you're going to tell us your journey. You know, reading law, then from law school to makeup. You know, making people up. How was it like for you? And then how long have you been in the industry? Then your parents, how did they accept it when you said you wanted to leave the wigs, you want to go into makeup? So first tell us about yourself, then we go right into the questions.
Okay, my name is Ennieyapha. So I've been in the makeup industry for about over 10 years.
Okay.
I trained in 2008, so I've been doing it before.
Wow.
Way
2008?
Yes,
I was like 12 years ago.
Well, the journey so far has been great. Thank God. It's been wonderful. It's been fun. So yes, it's been fun. Well, my parents at first they did not really accept it, but later on they encouraged me. You know, they've been there for me. Even my dad got me the Ennieyapha name. You know.
Are you serious? That's amazing for your dad. You didn't feel like, oh, you're living the law. I mean, after spending so much money,
yes,
you know, African parents.
They complained at first, but later on, you know, they got to accept it.
That is your passion and you're fulfilling your destiny. That's amazing. So the journey so far has it been like to encourage a lot of people out there and they want to follow their passion, they want to follow their gift and talent, they want to turn it into profit. What's your advice for them?
Well, I believe if they know if it's their passion, if that is what they want, they should go for it. They should go for it. They should develop their skills and they should start something.
Start take
from
action.
Somewhere, yes.
Don't keep procrastinating.
Yes.
Like I will start this. Just go for
And
it.
once they start, they just see that it keeps flowing till they get there and then do more. Do you understand?
Yes,
So
yes,
that's
yes,
the
yes.
basic.
So guys, find your unique selling point. What was that thing that stand you out also? When you discover your talent, your passion, your purpose, then distinguish yourself. Stand up from the crowd so that easily people can know you that, okay, this person is unique. Yet, no matter the competition, no matter how many people are in that particular industry, you can be outstanding, you can be unique, you can be different. Like for her, you see her everywhere. I see a lot of her jobs all over. So that could be you. Just believe in yourself. Believe also in your God-given talents and gifts. Develop yourself. Learn professionally. Add to that knowledge you already have. And before you know it, you are up there.
Yes. So it's been a great journey. It's been fun. It's been good.
Fulfilling. And for me too, you know, leaving banking to makeup artistry. I remember when I told my parents I wanted to leave banking, they're like, wow, how would you leave the known for the unknown? Really, I know how it is for a lot of parents, and it's genuine concern because they love you so much. They don't want you to make a mistake in life, in your career choices. So for me, leaving banking after 10 years, and I told them one day, you know what, Mom, Dad, I don't want to do this anymore. I want to go into makeup and get the artistry there. But like, wow, because I prayed about it and I knew there was more to me than the banking on. I knew I didn't want to, in my old age, now look back and wish I took that bold step. So for you, take that bold step. Be courageous about it. So far you prayed about it, you are sure, you love it, you're going to find fulfillment. Today I'm finding fulfillment in what I'm doing. And she's also finding fulfillment. I hope this inspires you. So I want to know, what kind of look would you be creating for me?
It's going to be a wow look. almost bridal. We're gonna put glitters. We're gonna make it glamorous. Colors. The colors will suit your outfit. Don't
I'm
worry.
already excited.
You're in good hands.
Wow, you know, for me as a makeup artist, I don't get a lot of people to do makeup for me because I'm always doing my makeup myself. So now somebody making up for me, I can't wait for that.
Even the fact that I'm doing a course in makeup is something.
Wow! So I
have to
can't
do my
wait.
best.
I can't wait.
Lady way over Sabi. Ojulewa. If I got makeup, oh.
Okay, so the look we're creating today is gonna be a glamorous one, like I said. I actually start with brows, so I'm gonna start with her brows, and then we're gonna do glitters for her. The glitters will suit the color of her outfit. I'm gonna do like a peachy coral look for her, and then smoke it up a little bit. And then we're gonna do her skin work and highlighting and contouring that will make her face a bit slimmer, and then we're gonna do red lips to make the colors pop. So thank you, stay tuned.
Max on the beat.
back. The one that believe at Ojulewa, we should be worldwide. So start off from the crowd with your Oyato Gidi. We have so many awesome auto Gidi at Ojulewa. Light one! Yes, sir. Mr. O, you have to pay another bride price. I see me. I'm loving my look, guys.
So beautiful.
Thank you so much. And thank you for coming on to the Ojulewa YouTube channel. So guys, I'm sure you enjoyed every bit of it. So kindly scroll up so many to our playlist, so many videos, tutorials of makeup on daily lifestyle, so many interesting videos. And please share this video and please click that button, notification button, subscribe button, share. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. So go right now and subscribe. Love you. See you next time. Bye bye.
Sure you like it like that. Oh yeah, show me like that. Sure you like the gilly. Oh yeah, tie the gilly. Jagabano gilly. Ojulewa come, worldwide come. Jagabano gilly. Ojulewa come, worldwide come.
Gele toju gele.